Since Mom and Dad are getting irritated, there you go.
It's a little floss raptor. It is a little floss raptor.
A little retarded turkey.
Here.
Oh,
That's cute.
Y'all mean that too. We're playing.
Little Bill.
It's like, what the fuck is this shit?
That's why the toys there.
Oh no, I taught the baby the word shit.
Actually, you guys want to see something? This one? No. Which one is
He's
it?
like, wait, what's she doing? She's got the treasure.
They don't care.
Don't let her escape with the gold.
They let me touch their eggs anytime I want. Is it this one? Yeah. There you go.
Ew.
What happened?
It's bad egg.
Abortion.
Because they didn't sit on because this little girl got too big.
Could have had more babies.
So that's Mama and that's Daddy.
We gotta throw them out when they get too bad.
This is Tuesday. Ow!
It's like, stop with my kid. I'll fight you.
Ow!
I will fight you. It will be a
That one's
mild
wood stuff.
inconvenience. I'm gonna fight you.
Ow! That one hurt. Look at that.
Dang!
Oh.
The bitch's boy.
You meanie.
He's like, that's right, you're my bitch.
You can bite me.
Pet baby bird. This it's really interesting.
Come on,
No
you can pet her.
thanks. I'm good.
Sure.
Huh?
Hannah will feed you tonight. Or today.
To me. And we'll feed you tonight to me. In between 2 pieces of bread. With some mustard.
Oh.
It's like, oh god, it's gonna eat me, it's gonna eat me.
She lost all her little yellow feathers. I got her. You're fine.
The parents like, there's an alien taking my baby. My baby's being abducted.
Oh, look at Daddy worry.
You good little girl.
They're so cute.
They have brown eyes. Pretty cool. I don't like cameras.
Bye, baby.